Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your Bendigo Bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. Open your web browser and in the search bar, type in Bendigo Bank Login. And as the search result, you can see in the first option the website of Bendigo Bank. Click here. It will take you to the official website of Bendigo Bank. And over here in this portal, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. Once you do that, it will take you to the login portal of Bendigo Bank. And over here, enter your access ID of your account and click on Next. You will be redirected to the password section. And from over there, enter the password of your account and click on Login. Then you will be logged into your Bendigo Bank account. And over here, click on Remember My Access ID if you are using your private computer. But I do not recommend you to do that in the public or shared computer. So this much for this video. This is how you can log in into your Bendigo Bank account. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.